So we're very excited to be launching our smartphones in India today. Huawei is a $28 billion global company, and the devices department of the Huawei Group is a 4.5 billion revenue last year in 2010. In India, we sell several devices. We've already sold more than 25 million units, starting from mobile broadband, data cards, our ADSL modems, WiMAX CPEs, handsets, set-top boxes, and various other products, including WiMAX CPE. And right now, we're actually going to we have launched our first three smartphones through our own channel. We have appointed Ingram Micro and Redington for pan-India distribution, and we will be ramping up this distribution. Presently it's focused in 10 cities. We will be ramping up after 3 months to say about 25 to 30 cities, and at this juncture 400 counters is what we are covering. We'll ramp it up to 2,500 counters, and Hyderabad is one of the key locations of the 10 locations. We have more than 350 service centers to support this business. We have set up a toll-free number for smartphones, and I think we'll be bringing more and more value to the consumers on the smartphone segment. Some of the models, let's pick up IDOS X5, which we are really proud about, our flagship handset. At a tier 1 brand, as a tier 1 brand globally, sub 15,000, a high definition phone, I believe, is not available in the market today, and that's number one proposition. And if you look at the video recording on this handset, you could apparently club the features of a good video camera, and you could just take this handset for shooting your video camera, and it comes with several other features. It's a 3.8-inch WVGA screen. It has a 4 GB internal memory plus a 4 GB memory card that comes free with it, and we also have tied up with ASL to offer 3 months 3 GB internet free for the consumers. It's just a coupon. It's not locked with the ASL. You are free to use any connection, and if you wish to subscribe, you can just type a code and you will get 3 months internet free so that you can test the applications. For Huawei cross categories, for data cards, we have more than 50% market share. Last year we sold about 3 million data cards. In handsets, when it comes to CDMA handsets, we have more than 30% market share. We sold close to 3.5 million handsets last year. In set-top boxes, we have clocked 30% market share. We have sold more than 5 million units last year. R&D center is in Bangalore. We have more than 3,200 employees working across various divisions: network, infrastructure, application and software, enterprise business, and devices. For the devices, today we have announced an India Product Creation Center based out of Bangalore, which is going to create or design the products, plan the products, test them, local level software customization, and ensure they're fully fit for India market. And this India Product Creation Center, it's one among the 5 product creation centers across the globe. So we have it in US, Sweden, China, Japan, and now in India. We are actually very confident, and we're sure that we can take that list when it comes to smartphones, apparently because we have more than 50,000 patents and inventions, and we have a very strong R&D base. We continuously invest 10% on R&D, and when it comes to smartphone, it's all about experience, how you get the 3G experience, how well tuned is the 3G experience, how is your performance on the processors. And since we have end-to-end experience on the device, on the technology, we believe we'll be able to do a phenomenal experience and a job in the smartphones across the globe.